Hey guys, McCoy411. Welcome back to my channel. Now, as you all know by looking at my hair, this was not a good hair day. Okay, this was not a good hair day. However, I'm able to take this hair and simply use this product right here to get the bomb picture that you guys are going to see at the end or the beginning of this video. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need your Blue Magic hair grease, and you may need, I have some warm water in here just in case I need it, okay? Just in case I need it. So I'm going to get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my natural hair journey, where my hair is growing, I am retaining length, and my hair is definitely healthy. I'm in the process right now of just transitioning back to my Blue Magic. So let's take this hair, make it simple. Make it simple. It's got to stay simple. My scalp is already greased. I don't have to wash my hair because I simply just washed my hair about 3 days ago and put a hair mask on it. So there's no need to do that right now. The only thing I need to do is save the hair. So, but first I'm going to start with my Jamaican mango. This is the black extra dark. Is this the extra dark? Yes. Extra dark black Jamaican castor oil. And I'm going to take that and just rub it into my edges right here. Because I thought I saw some thinning, and if I did see some thinning, I'm going to attack it right away. So I just rub that into my edges. And now it's a matter of how you want your braid out to look like. So hold on just a second. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and do this. I just went on and massaged that into my scalp. So I'm going to want my hair to fall this way, probably with the part, but definitely fall this way. So I'm going to get my hair clips because we're not going to be using any tools. No tools, no brush. This is how I refresh my twist out and stuff when I had just woke up early. Woke up late, not woke up early, woke up late and had to just get going fast. So I'm going to take my hair, I'm going to put a little of my Blue Magic grease on there, rub my hands together, making sure I put some of my grease on my edges. And you can do this either with the Blue Magic or you can do it with the Jamaican black castor oil. But make sure that section is moisturized. And I'm going to simply put some plaits in my head. And you're probably thinking, oh no, she's about to put like 30-something plaits in there, so you may as well call it a re-braid out or whatever, whatever. No. No. This was a twist out and a combination of twists as well. So take a piece like that, grease. And I'm not going to use water unless I absolutely need it because I want the stretch. I want the stretch. Look at that. Look at that growth. Oh, my God. And it's a healthy hair growth. I'm retaining length. And the people are probably wondering, what do you mean retaining length? Your hair is going to grow anyway. Yeah, your hair is going to grow, but if your ends are not taken care of, then that is where your hair growth is going to stay. It's just going to break off, or it's going to split with the rest of your ends. That's why you have to take care of the entire head. Scalp, strands, ends. The child, people will argue me down. You ain't got to do all that. Okay, you ain't got to do all that, but guess what? I do. There's some grease. Making sure I get those ends. And just put some plaits up. Yeah, you may look like Celie for a minute. You may look like Celie for a minute. But when it come down to it, you're going to look like Suge Avery. You heard? And I still coil my ends. So you get the gist of what I'm saying. You can make those. So I am finished with my hair. I did decide to, because I went in with the Jamaican black castor oil and I was trying to get my scalp, so I couldn't really get to my scalp with that flat twist and that braid, so I separated the two and just finishing off this and turning it to a plait. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. This here's what my Jamaican black castor oil. So I am using that on my hair, and I'm using the Blue Magic. No, that's my leave-in. See, I got my stuff over here, y'all. Got my setup right here. But there is a Blue Magic Super Sure Grow. Can't find it, so it's probably in my bathroom. But when I shampoo my hair, I grease my scalp with that. We're in the middle of the week. Tomorrow is the middle of the week. So I use the Jamaican black castor oil, and I just go down in my hair and apply it to my scalp, and then just massage it in. These are the plaits. And I will come back with you guys. I like for them to be twisted all the way to the end, so I'm sorry. I'm going to come back with you guys and take down my hair so you can see how to refresh your braid out, twist out, whatever. This is how I refresh mine. And these are much smaller than when I put them up. So I'll see y'all for the takedown. Guys, it is day 1. I could not wear my hair out like this. So this is the next day. I have went in the shower. I've moistened, let the moisture hit my hair to loosen it up some. And we're about to take them down. And this is simply refreshing your braid out or your twist out by using the Blue Magic hair grease. And this just so happened to be the bergamot. I have no idea, but it's a hair and scalp conditioner. It's hair. I'm using it on my hair because it works like a gem. All right. No clogged pores, because when I shampoo my hair every week, 4 or 5 days, and I use my scalp massager, and I use a clarifying shampoo. Or now I'm going to be busting out this Sunny Owl that I done ran into, that I done fell in love with. But if I'm not using a hair grease, you already know, Biotin Boost, baby. Biotin Boost Hask. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video and take my hair down because I am on my way to work. And who can't be late? Do you see that definition? Hold on. I want to make sure y'all can see this. Do you see all that? Do you see all that definition? And all I did was use some grease. Didn't even use no tools. Stretched it out with my hands. Braided it. Speeding up the video. That concludes this video. As you see, hair has definition, hair is soft, has gotten more fuller. I do this every night pretty much, but I go from smaller to bigger to bigger to bigger. And it gets fuller and fuller and fuller and fuller. So one more thing I wanted to address. Just like I used the Curl Enhancing Smoothie as the base cream when I did this, I'm going to be using these other products as well. The creams and everything. The only thing that's going to be different most of the time now is I'm going to be using a hair grease as my oil to seal in the moisture, because it does a dang good job. Dang good job. She ready. She ready. She ready. I believe in miracles. What up, Kelly? She ready. She ready. Mm, 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 mm. She ready. Mm. The more moving you get, the fuller you get. All right, y'all. Peace out. Love you guys.